guys, it's Katie. We are doing some crafts today. Aiden is helping me, and we have some fun crafts to do. Today's craft is from Well Done Crafts. You can find them at welldonecrafts.blogspot.com. They have crafts that go along with our lessons, so you can go and check it out and find crafts that you can order and you can do yourself. So today's craft is called the Wiki Stick Turtle Connect the Dots. So we have our sheet of paper that has a turtle that have all these connect the dots. And what we're going to do is use our Wiki sticks. They're kind of like wax covered string, and we are going to connect the dots. Now you can cut these, you can roll them in balls. They're sticky, they're really fun to play with. Sometimes restaurants give them out. So what we're gonna do is we're going to peel off a Wiki stick like this, and we'll start at number 1, and we're gonna connect the dots using the Wiki sticks. Now, once you run out of a Wiki stick, you just get another one and we keep going around. Let's check this out.
The alligator snapping turtle is the largest freshwater turtle in the world. Their shells can grow more than 2 feet long from front to back, and the turtles can weigh close to 200 pounds. They spend a lot of time in the mud at the bottom of quiet ponds, where they use a very interesting way to catch fish for their dinner. Inside the alligator snapper's mouth is a little growth that looks kind of like a worm. The snapper lies very still and wiggles his worm. When a fish is attracted by the worm and swims close, the snapper must act quickly. He must quickly snap up the fish before it swims away. Jesus wants us to be ready and to act quickly like the snapper. Whenever we see someone who needs help, or someone who is lonely and needs a friend, or someone who needs to know Jesus, we should snap up the opportunity. Do you want to act quickly for Jesus? So do I. Let's ask Jesus to help us do that today.